morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So students, today we are going to learn one more subject, and that is drawing subject. Before starting with our lesson, I will like to give you some basic information about drawing. So first, we will see who created or invented drawing. So the man who created drawing was Homo. The first drawing he created was before 73,000 years ago. He created his first drawing on a rock, which is now kept in Africa. This was the first human drawing. There are many famous painters in all around the world. You must be knowing the famous painter Leonardo da Vinci. He created the famous painting Mona Lisa. Now many a times students think like, what's the use of drawing subject? It's a great subject. But students, you all can make a better future in drawing subject also. Whenever you start drawing anything, it should be in your right hand side page, and it's compulsory to draw margin from all the four sides. So students, this was some basic information about drawing. Now we will see what materials we will need for our drawing. And today's our topic is potato print painting. For that, now we will see which material we will need. For base, we will need a pad, a drawing paper, or else you can take a drawing book, scale, pencil for margin, watercolor or tube colors and sketch pen, color dish, bowl, cloth, marker or sketch pen, brushes, and most important, potatoes. These are the materials which we will need for today's drawing topic. Students, before starting with our lesson, we will cut our potatoes, okay? And today we are going to do 3 prints. First is flower, watermelon and varley painting. For that you have to cut the potatoes, okay? If you all don't know how to cut the potato, please take help of your parents and then only do it. See, I have cut the potato and I have kept them. If you all can see, I have cut this potato in a flower shape, this in triangle shape, and this one for my watermelon. Okay, you have to cut this way your potato. You all can take help of your parents also. As I told you that before starting any drawing, you have to draw margin from all the 4 sides. Now we will start drawing the margin. From margin you will take from 0 to 1 centimeter and you will start drawing the margin. From all the 4 sides you have to draw the margin. Done with your margin. Now it's time to write our topic, and today our topic is potato print painting. So now let us write the topic name. See students, I have taken water in 2 bowls, one to wash a brush and other to take water for colors. Okay. Now we will start with a further process. I am going to use tube colors. If you all want, you all can use tube color, or else you all can use poster colors also. First we will do watermelon. So for watermelon I am going to take red color. Students, make sure that you are using less water for mixing your color, because we are going to apply that and potato. So make sure that you will use less water. For flower, I am going to use yellow color and purple color. And for wirely painting, I am going to use brown color. You all can use dark brown color, or else you all can use light brown color. Before mixing your brush with other color, make sure that you are washing your brush properly. Then only you are using that color in other color. Just take little water to mix the color. Done taking out our colors. Now it's time to start with our drawing. Before starting, make sure that you remove all the moisture from the potato. Take a cloth and remove all the moisture which the potato is having. Okay, so now let us start with our drawing. Students, I have taken only one potato to make out this shape. So students, you also take one potato only. With the help of the one potato, you all can cut out these different types of shape. Okay, now let us start. First we will do watermelon. For watermelon, I am going to take this size of shape. With the help of your brush, start applying color on the potato. See, just like this you have to apply. and take your potato and place it on the drawing paper. Just like this. See? If color is not coming properly, with the help of the brush, we will adjust it. Okay? Make sure you are removing all the moisture from the potato. It will help you to take the print properly. See students, now we will give the green part afterwards. First we will wait for some time so our color will get dry. Now we will just little bit adjust our watermelon. Just like this, okay? And we will keep this so our color will get dry properly. Till that we will do other shape. After using one color, make sure that you are washing your brush properly. And after washing it, clean with it cloth. Now it's time for other shape. Another shape which I'm going to take is a flower. Okay? The same way we are going to do. With the help of the brush, we are going to apply color. Okay? I have taken out all the moisture from the potato. So you also take out the moisture. With the help of your hand, press your potato little bit so the shape will come properly. See students? Yes. Now with the help of the cloth, we will remove the color. Take little color on the cloth and with the help of the cloth, remove the color. It will go. See? With the help of the dry cloth, remove the water. See? Now we will take some other color. Before that we will wash our brush. Now we are going to take yellow color. Okay, same way, take the color and apply it on the potato, and before that remove all the water from the potato, because just before, with the help of the cloth, we removed the color. And with the help of your hand, press it. For flower, students, you all can take any color. See? And where there is no color, with the help of the brush, we will adjust it. Okay? Now we will take some other color. Before that, we will wash our brush and also a potato. Students, our red color is remaining. For the third flower, we will use the same red color. Okay, because it's remaining. So with the help of the little water, we will make use of the red color also. I have washed my potato properly, and now I am going to remove the water. Okay, now we will apply this red color, and we will make one more flower of red color. With your hand, press it properly so the color will come proper. See. Done? Yes. Now it's time for Varli painting, and for which we are going to use triangle shape. Okay? And the color which we are going to use is brown color. Okay? Before using it, make sure that you are removing all the moisture from the potato. Just take a cloth and wipe it. Now I am going to make use of brown color. Apply it properly on the potato. Students, on camera it's looking red color, but it's brown color only. So you also take brown color. Now students, this part will go down and the flat part will come up. Means this part will go up and this part will come down. See. Just like this, okay? Then again with the help of the brush, apply the brown part. Now students, the upper part will come up and this down part will go down. Now we will do this way, means this part will come like this, okay? Press it properly with your hand so the color will come properly on the paper. See students, yes, like this only we have to do, okay? Now we will wait for some time so our color will get dry. Then we will do further process, okay? So students, our color are dry. Now it's time to give border, okay? For border I am going to use sketch pen. For watermelon I am going to use green color because the outer part of the watermelon is green color. Make sure that your color is dry properly, otherwise it will come on your hand, okay? You can give this border with color also, watercolor, or else you can give this border with sketch pen also. Just like this, okay? The outer part of the watermelon is ready. Now we will show its shades. For shade we are going to use black color sketch pen, okay? And just in between you have to do dot. See students, just like this, our watermelon is done. Now we will turn out to our flowers, okay? For flowers now we will do its stem and then its leaf, okay? For stem I am going to use brown color and for leaf I am going to use green color. Just like this. And now we will give its leaf. The same way we are going to do for the rest of the two. First time you all can use brown color or else you all can use green color also. Just like this. Okay. Done with a watermelon, done with a flower. Now it's time for Warli painting. But we will wait for some time because the color is not completely dry. So student, our color is also completely dry. Now we will show its head, hand and legs. Okay. For which I am going to use black color. See student, our Warli painting is also completely done. If you all want, you all can show some design in this. The design which you will show is something like this. You must have been seeing the painting. Most of the painting design is just like this only. So if you all want, you all can give design like this, or else if you will not give, it's okay. Just like this. See student, our 3 potato print painting is ready. First we did watermelon, second we did flower, and last we did Warli painting. Now students, like this only you will make different shapes from potato and you will send me it on my WhatsApp number. When you will send me your homework, you will write your full name, standard and division. I repeat, when you will send me your homework, you will write your full name, standard and division. And you will make different shapes of potatoes. Okay, which you will like. And before applying it, make sure that you are removing all the moisture from the potato. Then only you will apply color and you will start applying it on your paper. Okay. First remove all the moisture and then start. Thank you students.